Hi everyone! In this video I will show you how you can easily integrate Boomerangme with your ActiveCampaign account using our native integration. So first of all, you need to open your account and apps section and find Boomerangme connector in search. Open the integration page and add this integration connector to your account. You need to fill your API key from Boomerangme site that you can find in your Boomerangme dashboard in the settings section, integrations, API key, copy and paste here. Push connect button. Select the trigger. You need to set up at least 2 triggers. First of all, it's a customer created event and map the fields, all fields that we have from Boomerangme side to ActiveCampaign side. But before we continue our mapping, we need to add the custom fields to the customers. You need to open the contact section, fields, and add Boomerangme as a custom fields in your ActiveCampaign account. You can get all these lists and all these names from our knowledge base based on docs.boomerangme.cards. Left side menu, ActiveCampaign page. In the middle of the article, you can find the list like bonus balance, card type, card holder birth date, and etc. etc. You just need to copy these fields and add as a new custom fields as a text input into your ActiveCampaign account. In my case, it's already completed task, and you can see all this list of custom fields already created. So go back again to the applications, connected apps, Boomerangme, and continue our mapping. Right now you already create custom fields on ActiveCampaign side that absolutely similar like Boomerangme webhooks and methods. And so right now we are map all the fields from Boomerangme in ActiveCampaign sites. Finishing this webhook and add new source. Choose existing integration with existing account, and we need to select the trigger card issued event. Continue. And the same, you need to map all the fields from Boomerangme to ActiveCampaign side. As you can see, this webhook more complex and have more methods and information that you can get from Boomerangme side in your ActiveCampaign custom fields. All the fields already mapped, and we can finish this mapping stage here. So mapping already done, and you can use Boomerangme triggers and actions in your automation flows. For this, you need to open automation section, create a new automation. You can start, for example, from the scratch. Choose any trigger. For example, enters a pipeline. And you can use Boomerangme actions here, like for example, create customer and issue loyalty cards. Here you need to select connected app and map the fields again and finish. And you can use your own automation based on Boomerangme plus ActiveCampaign integration plugin. Thank you so much. Good luck.